Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raeford Mr. English, and in today's class, we're going to talk about likes and dislikes, okay? So, let's get right to it. I want you to take a look at the first example here. Music. What kind of music do you like? You can repeat after me if you want. What kind of music do you like? I like hip-hop. I like jazz. I like soft rock. Now, I don't like country music. I don't like heavy metal. I don't like trap music. So once again, I like, I don't like. How about you? What kind of music do you like? Alright, let's go on to the next example. Movies. What kind of movies do you like? Well, I like comedies. I like sci-fi. I like action movies. I don't like fairy tales. I don't like horror movies. And I don't like silent movies. That's it. Well, let's go on to the next one. What kind of food do you like? Well, I love junk food. I love chocolate. I love pasta. You know, pizza, pasta, linguine, fettuccine, lasagna. I love pasta. I hate scarlet eggplant. I hate okra. I hate avocados. Now, guys, what's the difference of like, don't like, and love and hate? Let's see here. We can express likes and dislikes using like and don't like, okay? But there is another possibility, a different possibility to express this. And we can use love or hate, okay? So, I like, I don't like, I love, I hate, okay? Well, guys, for today's class, that's it. Don't forget to study hard, do the activities, and remember, always use your English. Bye-bye.